Hello guys, what's up? This is a very random video that I'm shooting at 9:30 in the night. So basically I wanted to do a live update video from a very long time because I just feel very disconnected with my YouTube audience. I know that I have not been paying like very much attention, to be honest, on my YouTube channel. Like I'm just doing the bare minimum, but there are like a lot of things that I've been dealing with on the personal end. I don't know if this is the first time you're watching this, but मैंने पहले भी बात करी है इस बारे में on my channel that I do struggle with some anxiety issues and it should not be like this, but the work that I do depends a lot on my moods also. I don't want to call it mood and belittle what I feel, but you know, sometimes I cannot just like come in front of camera because I'm like crying or just not even able to speak or something like that. I hope you don't have anxiety issues, but if you do, you can understand what I'm trying to say. Like you just do not want to come in front of camera is all I want to say. So इस वीडियो में हम basically बात करेंगे what I have been, you know, nice power cut हो गया seriously 1 महीने में अब पावर कट हुआ का पावर कट देखो हुआ कब है जब मैंने डिसाइड किया कि मैं लाइव अपडेट वीडियो बनाती हूँ. I'm just gonna wait for the power to come back, I guess. I look like a bhoot right now, but yes. This normal life update video I wanna do, like where I am mentally, physically and spiritually, if that matters, because I love talking about it. So I'm gonna talk about it, okay. But I'm just gonna wait for the power to come back. Okay, I am back. So मुझे याद भी नहीं है मैंने कहाँ तक बोला है, अभी एडिटिंग में पता चलेगा. But I just wanted to have like a one-on-one chat about how I have been doing, and this is just for my OG subscribers, you know, who still watch me after so many years. Okay, so let's talk about career first and where I am right now. I am not happy at all. So it's been like 5-6 years that I've started this content creation journey, and I feel I have always, you know, prioritized my personal life over my career, which is a very sad thing to realize. I have recently just realized this कि I always used to think क्या हो रहा है, क्यों हो रहा है, मतलब हो क्यों नहीं रहा है, you know. But then kind of had this realization कि whenever, which I'm also trying to change by the way, that whenever if there is some personal crisis, I don't even want to call it crisis. For example, one of my friends need me, like not a lot but still needs me, and if I have like a good opportunity or maybe like an event to attend where I can network and you know which will eventually help me in my career, I would always choose the friend. I would always choose the friend, my sister, my family, my now husband, that time my boyfriend. But it was never, मतलब सबको ऐसा लगता है कि like no, she's very focused and all, but I feel that I could have been more focused and I could have given it more time. I don't know, but I still feel the time that I've given has still not, I have still not gotten the results. So it's very difficult. 2-3 months that I am always prioritizing my, you know, personal life or my personal relationships, which I think is a good thing. Like I'm not blaming myself, but people who say that, you know, you can balance everything, it's a myth. You cannot balance everything. Either you are like insanely career oriented and you do not give a f about who is like asking for help in your personal life or relationships, or you can, you know, just be there for them and be like a good sister, a good girlfriend, a good wife or whatever, a good daughter maybe. But I've realized ki sometimes I miss opportunities because of that, and I got to see like what's really important, you know, like because I love spending time of course with my closed ones. So sometimes I just like देख लेंगे next event चले जाएंगे. I am like this, but I think I got to be like more focused. That is what I think is lacking from my side. But अगर मैं वैसे बात करूँ generally कि जितना भी मैंने content upload किया है, whatever content I upload, mostly I think I'm 90% satisfied with the content I put on internet. Like क्वालिटी वाइज अगर हम बात करें कि ऐसे नहीं है कुछ भी पोस्ट कर दिया, तो 90% मैं सेटिस्फाइड होती हूँ उससे. तो आई फील कि मुझे ना उसका उतना रिजल्ट नहीं मिल पाया, उतने व्यूज़ नहीं, इतना ज़्यादा एंगेजमेंट नहीं आता. तो मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि वाई इज़ दैट हैपनिंग. मतलब अगेन इट्स लाइक आई एम अटैचिंग माई सेल्फ टू द रिजल्ट. बट तुम अगर एक चीज़ को इतना टाइम दे रहे हो, इतना प्यार से, लाइक आई मेक माई वीडियोज़, एंड if then it doesn't perform, it kind of hurts me a little bit now. पहले बहुत करता था, अभी थोड़ा कम हो गया है. बट इट्स लाइक यू हैव टू रिमाइंड योर सेल्फ कि मेरे हाथ में ही नहीं है ये चीज़, तो हाउ कैन आई इवन कंट्रोल इट. सो आई एम जस्ट लर्निंग लाइक धीरे धीरे कि तुम्हें थोड़ा थोड़ा खुद को डिटैच करके चलना पड़ता है. सो दिस वॉज माई करियर अपडेट. एंड आई ऑल्सो थॉट अबाउट लाइक मेरे पास मेरे पास बोल रही हूँ, मेरे दिमाग में ये थॉट आया दैट आई completely wanna leave social media. like वो आता नहीं है कि ओ हम नए सिटी में चले जाए अपनी लाइफ, लाइक वो डिल्यूजनल तुम्हारा जो बैक ऑफ द माइंड, आई डोंट नो तुम्हारा चलता है कि नहीं, बट मेरा चलता है कि सब छोड़ के मैं चली जाती हूँ. आई विल स्टार्ट अ न्यू लाइफ समवेयर एल्स एंड नो सोशल मीडिया, नथिंग. सो खैर दैट इज़ जस्ट अ डिल्यूजन. बट आई honestly don't know what I'll do apart from this. So yeah, it's not like I have like saved a lot of money and I can invest in a new business. And even if I can invest in a new business, what business will I do, like I have no idea. So yeah, this is where I am career wise. Now let's talk about personally what I've been struggling with. So now I have a new responsibility which I absolutely love, but it's a new responsibility, so it's really difficult to manage with whatever is going on already in my life. Okay, so my sister was going through a divorce. I'm glad that she got out of that marriage because it was not good, it was very toxic. And I'm just glad that I can be there for her, because if you don't know, I have a niece. She's like really tiny and super cute, and it's just that I asked my sister to move to Ahmedabad because I live here. I got married here, so Shruth lives here. So I just wanted her to be close to me because I know that physically I can help her taking care of Prisha, my niece. So yeah, that is kind of new responsibility that I have now. I am babysitting a lot of the time. Like I'm helping her babysit when she has a busy work day. So she's a single parent now, and I'm so proud of her, of how she, just keeps it together. Because I ask her like a lot of times, like how are you feeling mentally, and like I personally have a lot of anxiety issues and I get a lot of panic attacks. Like I am like out of my mind sometimes. But I ask her like how do you deal with all this, and she said that I do not even have a minute to think about whatever is happening or has happened because Prisha keeps her busy. So I don't know how she does it, but I think like I'm very proud of her. And yeah, so on personal end, I think that has been keeping me so busy that when I have like some time left in my day, so I have very little energy too, because it's like a creative field, no, and you have very little energy left. So yeah, I am struggling with that, like my time management basically, because of this new thing that has come. So this is what I was telling you, like I will always prioritize my personal relationships, because, and especially my sister, I mean wo to main, I can't even think about not thinking about her first, because that is just the relationship we have. But yeah, that is where I am on the personal end. And I don't know if you've seen the movie, very random by the way, but how many of you have seen the movie Missing? Bhai Sahab, I have seen some clips from it, and this is a very triggering movie by the way. So in general I have this rage, like literally मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा, this is my trigger point basically, like how women are generally, how women are treated in marriage, especially in our society, and especially if it's like an arranged marriage. Boys को लेके कि why do women let these things happen to them? So I am literally, because that is my trigger point, and मैं अब तक ना courage नहीं कर पाई कि मैं वो पूरी movie जाके देख लूँ, because I don't have very good examples of marriage around me, honestly, and I was very scared to get married. And now Shruth listens to me, like, you know, he at least he tries to understand what I'm trying to tell him. Like, he tries to be there for me emotionally. And but I've seen like completely immature, emotionally immature men, and some of my cousins married to them, and they're like, yeah, this is how it is, because you know it is accepted in our society. I know बहुत random जा रहा है ये, but this is like a rant video, you can say that. So yeah, I don't know, I mean, if you're getting married, if you are married, if you are planning to get married in like later in future, just I just want to give one advice which I have learned the hard way, I guess. Ki please, for God's sake, set your boundaries and never ever compromise where you don't want to. मतलब of course हम एक relationship है, मैं और श्रुति एक relationship में है, तो मैं because I love him, I will do things for him which I don't want to, but I love him and he likes to do that, I will do that, and same वो भी करेगा, है ना. मतलब compromise is okay when it's coming from both ways. So I just want to tell you, just keep that, just because I think हमारी society में यही सिखाया गया है, because even our parents do not know any better that this is how marriages are. You're supposed to compromise, the girl has to compromise, she has to change her ways and everything. But no, do not change your ways, fight for it, fight for your happiness. Like, it's sad that we have to fight for basic things, but this is the sad truth that we live in. But anyway, if you have I can talk about this topic बहुत ही ज़्यादा, but I'm just gonna end this topic here. And if you're wondering, it's not about me, I'm very happy in my marriage. Anyway, we can discuss this more अगर तुमको, because I love doing that, about life basically. So if you have any questions also, I would love to answer them. पता नहीं ये वीडियो कहाँ जा रही है, तो this is where I am on like personal end, if you ask me. And if I want to talk about religiously or spiritually, I have realized that I am not a very religious person, but I am a spiritual person. So what does it mean? I don't know, I think सबको पता ही होगा, but still मैं बता देती हूँ. Religion is basically following one religion, ठीक है, and spirituality is more like listening to your inner voice, and you know, basically knowing that you are part of the universe and you're here for a while, you know, you're literally here for a while on earth. And if I see, you know, जब भी मैं बहुत sad होती हूँ and I cannot just get out of my own thoughts, I have to remind myself that this is the, like, my soul is here for like a few, if अगर हम इसे universe के उसमें देखें तो just a few clicks, but बहुत ही कम टाइम के लिए मैं हूँ यहाँ पे, and I'm just playing this character Mahi that I've gotten this time, like my soul has gotten. So I basically kind of, you know, my soul is a different person when I'm having this conversation, and Mahi is like a different person, and Mahi is struggling with a lot of things, but this soul is like just observing her and, you know, helping her. Basically your inner voice, that is what I'm trying to tell you, that you have to soften your inner voice and just believe in it. I guess this is what I'm trying to say. Again, this is a very random video. Yeah, so this is what I realized, that I am a very, you know, spiritual person, and I love reading about spirituality and how your beliefs, your voice, your heart is the most important thing in your life. Like, of course, everybody, like the relationship with your parents, your husband, your boyfriend, ठीक है. Yeah, so this is, I think, everything that I wanted to say today. Like, this was a little life update. I didn't have any questions, I didn't do any Q&A, and I would love to do that sometimes, but I feel like I'm so disconnected. I don't know if anybody is even gonna watch it like till here, but if you're watching it, thank you so much. Make sure that you drop some questions about, I don't know, anything. Like, if you're watching me from a long time, anything else do you wanna know about me? I would love for you guys to know me better, so that you know, we can connect more. I would also like to know now, of course मैं इतना detail में नहीं जान पाऊंगी सबके बारे में, but I would like to know, where are you happy, are you not happy in your life right now, or even if you're not, I think it's okay to not be happy all the time. I have realized this the hard way, because whenever you're like, I want to be happy, I want to be happy, I want to be happy, don't have that mindset. I think it's very difficult to not have that mindset, because we are always told that just be happy, like, you know, just feel happy all the time. Jabki I think what we should be taught is like be content, be peaceful where you are, even if you're not like जिंदगी में. It should be like कि कुछ खराब नहीं है, right? Anyway, again मेरा चालू हो गया philosophy, but all the things that I have learned and I'm learning and I love. I wish I could be more. I just wish I was better with my words, because I have so many things to talk about and sometimes my words, you know, fail me. But I really hope कि तुम्हें कुछ समझ आया हो इस वीडियो में मैंने क्या बोला है and what is going like in my mind and all. I would just love to read comments on this particular video because this is like personal, and I will see you guys super soon in my next one. Thanks for watching this. अभी तक भी अगर तुम यहाँ पे हो, so I love you. Thanks for watching it, and please comment करो और मुझे बोलो कि माही more vlogs, more personal videos, but because I really want to do that for me, for future Mahi. I do want to do that, but sometimes my moods, which is a very sad thing by the way, my moods, you know, don't let me do the hard work or do like talk, do not let me talk to the camera that much. I don't know if that makes sense to anyone, but it makes sense to me. So I'm gonna go now. अभी भी यहाँ पे हो तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब, कमेंट और लाइक करते जाना, एंड आई विल सी यू इन माय नेक्स्ट वन.